Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is an ocean view with picture window. I'm going to take you through the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceana, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. As you enter the door, you're going to have your light switch on one side, and then you'll find your primary storage on the other. So you're going to have hanging storage all the way across here. You have a bar that pulls down for a bit more hanging storage. You've got shelves, and I really do like this touch of the baskets down there. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror to get ready, and then as we continue along, you're going to have more drawers for storage just underneath here, and then tucked just behind the TV, that's where you'll find your safe. Perfect size for passport or wallet, not quite big enough for a full-size laptop, but you do have shelves up and down, and then your mini fridge is going to be just underneath. As we head into the bathroom, you've got your temperature controls right here, and as I step inside, you'll see you've got a bit of storage on the vanity here. You've got storage up and down, toilets tucked just behind me. You do have a built-in hair dryer here, and I'll step into the shower. Now, it's not a huge space. I'm a really big guy. I'm 6'6". Most people, that wouldn't be an issue. They do have a shower curtain. I wish they had a shower door there, but it's got everything that you need. And the other nice thing is you can also leave the shower curtain open. That's what I usually do on this ship, and go ahead and shower just like that. As we step further into the room, you've got a US plug and a Euro plug. I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I could take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You've got a little stool where you could sit and utilize the vanity to get ready. A little bit of storage up above, and then you'll find your flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television, and you can angle it towards the couch or you can angle it towards the bed. Now, this particular room has a couch that does fold out for a third passenger here, and then right in the middle you'll see the bed is in the large configuration right now. It can also be separated into two where they'd move the nightstands to the middle. Either way, there's tons of space underneath for storage. Now, a nice little touch is on the reading lamps on either side of the bed. They also have a USB charger, so you can utilize that to charge your device overnight. Now, I mentioned this does have a picture window. That's the reason most guests pick this. It's an upgrade from an inside. Now, keep in mind, if you want to check out the balconies and suites on the ship, we have those on our channel as well. When you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceana, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.